Hey guys, Kent here with Adventure Manufacturing, and today we're going to be walking you through the all-new 2027 89RB. Now, before we get going, please make sure you go down, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, because we have plenty more adventure content coming your way. The 89RB is a 4-season truck camper built for those who want comfort without having to step up into a slide-out camper. Now the 89RB is designed for full-size trucks with a 6.5-foot truck bed or larger. Now this 89RB is currently fitted to an F350 with an 8-foot truck bed. Now the 89RB comes in at just over 2,500 pounds with a floor length of about 9 feet 1 inch. Now with that sizing, it's still going to give you that room and movability to be able to park in all those tight spaces, but it still gives you plenty of room to enjoy all that time and moments with the family. Now, one of my favorite features of the 89RB is it allows you to sleep up to 5 people without having that larger camper footprint. Now let's get into construction and how these campers are built. New for 2027, we've gone to Azdel composite wall panels. Now Azdel materials replaces traditional wood Luan materials to provide stronger structure, better rot and water resistance, and long-term durability. Now the 89RB, like the rest of our campers in our Venture lineup, also has triple seal protection, or TSP for short. Now TSP reinforces critical seam lines throughout the camper, provides long-term weather resistance, which ultimately supports next generational ownership. Gone are the days of traditional white boxes. New for 2027, the 89RB got an all-new look. As you can see here is our upgraded exterior graphics package, providing that two-tone finish with that sleek topographical lines, really giving you that more modern, updated look. Now up from there, you're gonna get into our dual pane acrylic windows. Now these windows are actually gonna provide a better thermal barrier and also help with reducing the condensation. Now just below that, new for 2027 is our Truma Aqua Go system. So our Truma Aqua Go system is gonna provide you that instant hot water on demand, while it's also going to allow you to be able to control whether it's in eco mode or in climate mode. Eco mode is going to give you that option to be able to have the propane off, but still saving it for you. Climate mode is going to have that propane continuously running, keeping this cylinder warm and offering you hot water on demand. And just back from there, we're going to start getting into our power jack option. Now the power jack option has a remote that's going to allow you to operate these jacks up and down, but you are also able to do that manual override. Now we do provide a crank handle and a drill bit, which is going to allow you to have easier access when you are trying to manually override the electric jack system. And just back from there, you're going to see our Phat Ladder that actually closes up and away. So I'll walk this out of the way for us here. And just behind that ladder is going to be that generator compartment. Now the generator compartment here is all pre-wired to allow you to be able to go ahead and have the option of adding a generator there. And just up from that generator compartment, you're gonna see we get into our carefree awning. So this is gonna be an 8-foot awning that comes out about 10 feet, and it's gonna give you nice coverage in the back end of your camper. Also up from there, you're gonna see we have a light bar providing plenty of light when you're out there working in the dark. Also like to point out our 24-inch friction hinge door. Nice benefit to the friction hinge door is if you're in a big windy area, you're not gonna have to worry about that door slamming back shut on you. Another side note I like to point out here, you can see these 4 stripes here. So these 4 stripes is really showing our manufacturer commitment to 4 true season camping, as well as it's giving a little bit of a tribute there to our previous Slumber Queen models. Also below that, you're gonna see we have our fat D-ring handle. It's gonna allow you to be able to pull that up out of the way, provide extra security while traveling on the door, but also give you a big surface to grab when you're exiting or entering the camper. Another nice little thing here is this removable step comes up and out of the way, and it actually allows you to get down into the basement of the camper. So here, the basement of the camper, you're gonna actually be able to see a couple things here. You can see we have a slide drawer that's gonna provide plenty of storage for you to be able to have extra room, maybe fishing rods, and over from there, you're gonna be able to see our handles for your waste dumps. So that's gonna be your gray water or your black water. And as you move around from that, you get into the opposite side, which is the driver's side of the camper, and you're gonna get to see some nice features here. Starting with exterior shower. So with this exterior shower, you are able to work with hot water and cold water from your Truma system. You have a nice wand here that's gonna allow you to shower up out of the way as well. And in this same compartment, you're gonna have your water fills. So you're gonna have your city water connection. So if you're parked at a site that has connective water, it's gonna allow you to be able to plug in and have pressurized water and not have to worry about the water pump on the inside. Or this is just gonna be a direct fill for the tank for if you're planning to do more boondocking or off-grid camping, you'll be able to have that tank full for you there. There is also a little port below here, so you can have the hose come up through, so that will allow that clean ability of having this closed while filling. Over from there, this is your powers part. So this is where you would plug in the camper if you're wanting to have any power, charge your batteries. If you're at a site that allows you to stay hard plugged in, you're able to plug in here and always be able to operate everything from your AC to your microwave to any type of appliance that you may have inside. And here you're gonna see that we also have our battery box. So this fits up to 2 batteries depending on the size of the battery, but it's gonna give you those hard wires to allow you to be able to connect with the generator or be able to add any type of other auxiliary ports you would like to add. And just up from there, we're gonna get into that large propane compartment. So you can see here we have 2 20-pound tanks giving you 40 pounds of propane, which is plenty of propane when you're out there on the road with the family or your friends. As you can see, we're up front of the 89RB, and the first thing you're gonna see is our new integrated light bar. Now with that light bar, we were able to take all of those previous wires down into one wire, which now go through one entry point into the camper, which now is gonna reduce any type of water intrusion. Now back from there, we're gonna get into our Skylight. Now the Skylight is over top of the sleeper, so it's gonna provide lots of light and airflow while you are inside of the camper. Just back from there, you're gonna see that we have 400 watts of solar currently equipped to here. With this camper, you can add up to 600 watts of solar off of that base controller. Now, the roofs of these are also Starlink integrated, so if you did wanna add a Starlink mini up there, you can add that for your journeys out there on the road to still stay connected to family. And just back from there, you're gonna see we have our rear bathroom skylight, which is gonna provide plenty of natural light while you're inside using that area. And all of this is situated on top of our fully walkable TPO roof. Now, before we go inside, I wanted to call it another one of my favorite features, and that's that rear comfort bumper step. This comfort step is allowing you to have plenty of space to work around. As you can see, it's sitting at a great level to use as a workstation as well, but it gives you plenty of room to be able to step up and get inside your camper. Hey, let's go take a look. As you can see, we have completely redefined the interior of the 2027 89RB. And a huge upgrade for 2027 is Richlite countertops. Now, Richlite countertops are soft to the touch, extremely durable, scratch resistant, and they're actually used in the architectural and culinary fields. We've also upgraded to black appliances. So you're gonna see here you have your full range with that 3-burner cooktop, as well as a full oven piece below with your dial connections here up top. And up from there, you're gonna get into your control panels. So your control panel on the upper side is gonna be your solar controller. So that's gonna show you everything coming in and out wattage-wise from those solar panels. You're also gonna get into your main water control. So this is gonna be able to show all your fresh tanks, your black tanks, your gray tanks, and your battery as well, plus your water pump. You're also gonna have right there is your controls for that Truma Aqua Go. Now that Truma Aqua Go is gonna give you 2 different stages. So you're gonna have a climate mode or an eco mode. With the eco mode, it's gonna allow you to be able to keep that cylinder off to the side, not having propane coming in, and when you do go to turn on hot water, it will then kick that system in and allow that hot water to go. You can also go into climate mode. What climate mode will do with that Aqua Go is it will allow that cylinder to continuously keep working, keeping that hot water in that cylinder, so whenever you go to turn on any of that hot water throughout the camper, you're gonna have that instant hot water. Another thing I like to point out, you also have a nice hood range with a fan and a light. Up from there, you have tons of storage in the kitchen. So you have one large compartment up top here. You also have a double door compartment on this side as well, with an upper shelf and a nice plug-in if you wanted to plug in type of appliances as well. From below, you're gonna be able to see now the large deep farm sinks and that nice black accent with the sink handle and faucet. Coming below now, you're also gonna see 3 large soft close doors. So they will soft close for you, all 3 of them. And you also have a large under sink compartment. Very large under sink compartment. Being able to fit a full-size garbage can in there to be able to keep that up out of the way. You also do have another large drawer right below, and another part of the kitchen here. Across from there is gonna be your 2-doored fridge freezer. So that is gonna be your 12-volt fridge freezer. Up top's gonna be the fridge. And below is going to be a large freezer, giving you plenty of space to be able to store everything you need while you're out there on their travels. Now here we are up in the sleeper cab. I'm currently sitting on our 60 by 80 queen size bed. I know it looks like there's a large space opening right here, but we do have a nice curtain here that's going to allow you to close that, make you have a nice private space. I also like to point out on this side, you're going to see you have that full wardrobe storage with the full length of the bed, as well also working as a nice side table for you. And on the opposite side, you're going to have a full wardrobe slider with that mirror for you, with hooks along the top so you can hook in all your clothing, as well as a nice deep compartment for you to store your bags or extra clothing you may have. And above me, you're going to see we have a large Dometic Skylight. Allows you to open that up in 2 different stages or all the way open so you can go through to the roof, as well as a nice bug screen and a full-on sunshade. Now over from there, on the other side, you're going to see we have a raised night table here with storage underneath or behind, as well as 2 USB ports and 110 plugins for charging your phones, maybe e-reader, things like that. And up on the front wall, to control these lights, you're going to see we have a nice dimmer switch. Now here we are in the Dream Dinette, and personally, this is one of my favorite places to hang out. There's plenty of room. I am a big individual, so I have lots of space to still move around, whether I'm possibly working from the laptop or if I'm eating or playing games with the family. Another nice thing about the Dream Dinette is you do have lots of storage in this area. So above me, you're going to see that we do have 2 upper storage drawers, going to allow you to open up and close nice and easily. Here on the side wall of the dinette, you're going to see a couple new features that we've added. We've added a full-on dimmer switch so you can control the lighting on the inside of the camper, as well as that Dometic thermostat here with their electric dial. And up from there, you're going to see we also have added that Bluetooth speaker with 2 USB ports to allow you to have extra charging ports. And up from there, you have a couple more charging ports, 2 USB charging ports, as well as 2 plugins. And just below the upper storage compartments, you're going to see that large panoramic window. I'm currently getting to sit here and enjoy the nice lakeside, but let me talk about a few features of this panoramic window. So you will have 3 stages of opening. You also have a fairly large open side to it. Also in the vent mode, right here, you're going to have a bit of airflow coming in, but also have that protection and security of the window being closed. Also like to point out, you have a large bug screen as well as a large shutter. So this privacy shutter is going to allow you to be able to still be able to look outside, see what's going on, but also have that privacy while you're inside. Now below the 2 of those, we're going to get into our Richlite tabletop. Yes, you heard me right. We've also given our tabletop the Richlite treatment. Now, let's turn our Dream Dinette into a great sleeping area. Easy as opening up the main lock, pushing down on the Dream Dinette, grabbing the one cushion, grabbing the second back cushion, and rolling out our brand new 2027 Camp Cot Bunk system. Allowing you to sleep 1 above, 2 down below, and 2 up on the main bed. Now to get back to your main dinette, it's as easy as popping out the pulls, rolling it up, taking the cushions, putting them back up, pulling up on the dinette bed, and locking it back into place. Now, another thing below here, you're going to see you also have 2 large cubby ports, so you can put shoes, maybe dog gear in there, as well as a large understorage on that back rear seat. Now here we are in everybody's favorite room of the camper, our complete wet bath. That's right, the 89RB does have a full wet bath. With that, you are going to have porcelain toilets, a nice shower wand, as well as a new touch light that's going to give you a few different light options. Now I always like to point out, I am a big guy, okay? So I'm about 6'5", 280 pounds, and I have plenty of headroom. I'm not hitting things with my shoulders. I can maneuver around with ease inside of this rear washroom. A few other features I like to point out, fold down coat hook, so you can hang out wet waders, any type of wet bathing suits. Another side on there, you also have our full rack pull down. That's gonna give you a few more hook options, as well as that other option to hang more wetsuits, maybe some towels, things like that. Reason why I say that all those things are wet is because we actually have heated ducts into this bathroom. So when you are out and about with the family or on your adventures, you're able to hang out any of your dirty or wet gear in here to have that completely dry out. We also have a full-on medicine cabinet here with shelves to allow you to store all your toiletries. And over from there, you're gonna see we also have a nice max air fan to keep things flowing. And just below there, you're gonna see again that black accent faucet with a large sink for the wet bath and that fully covered toilet paper dispenser. As you can see, the 89RB is a true 4-season camper built for those who want comfort without having to step up into a larger slide out. To find out more information on our 2027 Adventure 89RB, head on over to our website, adventurecampers.com, or reach out to a dealer near you.